SML Virtual Mailbox Virtual Business Address Service Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into the SML Virtual Mailbox Service, a powerful solution designed for entrepreneurs, digital nomads, and small businesses looking for a professional virtual business address. Whether you need to separate your personal and business mail, establish a presence in a new location, or simply access your mail digitally, SML Virtual Mailbox offers all of this and more. The service is built around three core features: a virtual business address, mail forwarding, and a secure online mailbox. Upon signing up, you're assigned a real business address, which can be used for registering your business, signing contracts, or listing on your website, making your business appear more established. The virtual mailbox allows you to receive scanned copies of your mail directly through their secure online portal. This is ideal for those who travel frequently or prefer to manage their mail remotely. Another key feature is the mail forwarding service, which lets you choose what happens to your physical mail. You can opt for forwarding to any address or even decide to shred unwanted mail for an additional fee. This makes it especially useful for businesses that receive sensitive documents or packages. The forwarding process is fast, with tracking numbers provided, so you can stay informed on when your mail will arrive. SML Virtual Mailbox is particularly suited for small business owners, freelancers, and remote workers who need a physical address for professional purposes without needing to rent an office space. It's also a good option for international users wanting a US address for receiving mail. The platform is intuitive with an easy-to-navigate dashboard that makes managing your mail a breeze. You'll get notifications for new mail and the ability to view scans or request physical forwarding whenever you need it. In terms of pricing, SML Virtual Mailbox is competitive with similar services, offering flexible plans that suit different business sizes and needs. The service is transparent with no hidden fees, which is a crucial consideration when choosing a long-term mail management solution. After using it for several months, I can confidently recommend SML Virtual Mailbox for anyone looking to enhance their business's professionalism and streamline mail management. It's reliable, efficient, and an excellent choice for modern businesses seeking flexibility and security. If you're tired of handling physical mail or need a business address without the overhead, this service could be exactly what you need.